Magandang araw po, ito po ang DTF machine ng 888 Bacolod. Ito po yung printer head area at saka yung cutting area. Ito naman po yung capping. Head clean. After po nating mag-head clean, punasan po natin ng wiper. Tanggalin yung mga excess ink. Nozzle check. Ito naman po ang output ng aking nozzle jack. Ito naman po yung ink tank area. Tama lang po yung mga ink level nila. Ito naman po yung waste tank. Last dispose po nito is sa Thursday. Ito naman po yung AVR. Ito naman po nakalagay yung ground wire. Ito naman po yung DTF supplies. Ito naman po yung DTF monitorings. Ito naman po yung printer daily checklist. Consumables monitoring. Daily production log. Yan lang po. Maraming salamat.